Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel Casino, where you get to see and learn price action strategies. I try to explain the strategy in live trade in as simple a way as possible, with which you can also use this strategy in the Forex market. I have $5,000 in this account, which we will grow with proper risk management and psychology. I increase the lot size according to the account, which I have already calculated. I am using 0.12 lot who follows our risk management. I am placing trades in the same lot size in all trades. Guys, our trade place is done. Our profit is running at $37. We will grow it further. Let me explain to you why I am buying trade place here. If we look at the current trend, then there is an uptrend. We have also placed a trade in the same direction. The previous trend of the market was downtrend. We will make trend channel of this downtrend. Like every time, we'll take trend line. We'll connect this trend line at the lower high point of the downtrend, which will work as resistance for us. Now take one more trend line, then that will connect with same angle at lower low point. This will act as our trend line support. You must be seeing that the market has broken our trend channel here. The market changed its direction, and now the market is going in an uptrend where we got buying opportunity. Now we have to create trend channel of uptrend, by which we will know the exact position of the market. The market is moving upwards with support on this trend line. Take another such trend line and put it on the higher high point of the uptrend. Every time the market is coming down this trend line by making resistance. Now we have to create support resistance zone, which will help us to place the stop loss. For this we will use the rectangle tool. This is the strong support resistance level of the market. Here the market has reversed multiple times. High percentage chance market will go up from here. Because the trend of the market is uptrend, we have also placed trade in the same direction, yet here anything can happen. 100% nobody in the market. Here we see a candlestick pattern, which is a strong indication the market will go up. For this we will take a rectangle tool, which will be placed in this place, because this is also the strong reversal point of the market. The market has reversed multiple times here. Let me explain the candlestick pattern to you. For this we will take the arrow line. The market took support here where we made support resistance level. Then the market went up here forming a double bottom. Then went up and come down making trend line a resistance where our lower low trend line was. Market took support here and went up with a breakout. Went down from here to where our support resistance level was. And now the market is going up and becoming a support resistance. Now you must have guessed what pattern the market has made here. This is the head and shoulder pattern that indicates the reversal. This is the left shoulder of our pattern. Then the market went down with resistance from here and head here where our bottom trend line was. From here the market went up and made the right shoulder. This is the market strong pattern which shows reversal. Wherever you see such patterns on top or bottom, that market has an 80 to 90% chance of reverse. Sometimes we see such patterns where you can trade, which gives us strong signals. Let's remove these arrows line, they don't work anymore. Till here our analysis is complete. I put the stop loss and target point quickly. It's been a long time. My stop loss will be outside the trend line if it is down 88 pips. If market breaks this trend line, we will book losses. And my target point will be 185 pips above where the market will make new higher high. Our target is outside this trend channel because the market can go towards a strong uptrend. The hope from this trade is that we should make good profit, because according to analysis, the market should go up. Let's see guys, all our work is over. Next is the market's work, where we took the entry, the resistance becomes support strategy is working there, which gives a strong signal for millet to go up still. Anything can happen in the market, it is not in our hands. We can only do analysis and trade place. Let's see what gift the market gives us. Our entry has been done at the right time. Guys, it's very sad our stop got hit. Here is our setup fail. We did the analysis right, but the market is going down to retest again. The market has broken the trend line below, now it will go down. There is no point in holding our trade. Let's close the trade. My loss here is $3,222, which I have already calculated. Now let's close it. There is now only $1,649 left in the account. Now we'll try to grow from it. We see here that the market has just given a breakout. Market may go for breakout retest here. We will sell here. A good opportunity is giving where you can grow $1,649. Let me place the trade. I am using 0.12 lot here, which I used earlier. $128 was loss while placing a trade. Never mind, loss is part of game. There is always loss in business as well as profit. Who manages these two, it is successful. High probability chance the market will go down from here, because if the market had to go up, it would have gone up by making the trend line support, but he didn't go up and gave a breakout at the bottom, where we got selling opportunity on the downside. The stop loss for all these trades will be where 78 pips are above. If the market reverses again, our account will be blown. And my target point would be where the last low of the market was, which is 199 pips away from the trade, because the market can make a double bottom here. I have come to profit from loss. My profit is running at $287. We'll try to grow from it. Okay guys, our stop loss and target point are placed. The way we have analyzed it looks like the market will go away. Our entry is on breakout, which is perfect. Let's see you after a few hours.
Wow! Beautiful!
Finally guys, our target is about to hit. The market went right down from where we placed the trade. It took 18 hours and 43 minutes to achieve this target, which is too long for a trader. Only few pips are left after that our target will be hit. Let's see you after a while.
A few moments later.
Guys, market reversed by just 1 pip. If we went down 1 pip, our target would have been hit. We got here with a lot of patience, but our target was not achieved due to 1 pip. If we analyze again, the market is near this trend from where I can go down by taking resistance. And the second trend line may go up by forming support that will hit our target. Support become resistance area is visible here. The market took support here first and then broke it and made resistance, due to which our target can be hit according to the support resistance strategy. From here the market can go down. Otherwise it will break this trend line and go up, where we will close our trade. Let's wait when the market hits our target. Guys, market broke trend line and retested too. Now we have lost hope of going down. Now nothing will go. The market has changed its direction, which is not right for us. I am closing the trade. Remove it, they do not work. My current profit is running at $5,988. We expected more than this. Guys, we have grown our account from where we were left with $1,649, made $7,213. We completed our aim. Here we are again getting another buying opportunity, because the market has just given a trendline breakout where we can take a buying trade. I am taking lot 0.12 as we took in the previous 2 trades.
All I do is rap though. Yeah. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. Yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. No. Do my own thing.
I have placed trade according to account. My profit is running around $200, which will help to grow our account. The market is going up fast because the market come down just to retest, where we made profit, and now buying trade again. Market will go up from here, because in this place the market has made the double bottom, which gives us the reversal indicator. Here my stop loss will be below 80 pips, which is inside the trend channel, and the target point is 130 pips above, where the supply demand area is. Market may reverse from our target point. Guys, market is going up very fast now. Our profit is $723. Now we wait patiently in this trade. Let's see how the market reacts now. Either our target will be hit or stop loss will be hit, because the market has only 2 ways, will either go up or down. There is no other way. But see you after a few hours.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it 'cause
Nice. It's a very beautiful view. The market is near our target point. The market reacted as we analyzed. The market went up 130 pips from where we traded. Here we got to see a good move. Now let's wait till the target is hit.
maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it.
Guys, we followed our rules where we got to see good result. If you have good psychology, then you can easily make profit in the market. Always pay attention to learning. Earning will happen automatically. Let's close the trade. Our target has been achieved. My profit is $5,886 higher than we thought. This is the result of our good analysis. Finally completed our aim as it was. We turned 1,600 into 13,000 with proper risk management and psychology, which is a big deal. If we see the return of $1,600, then 850% comes, which is a lot. Here you can see the trend channel again in the uptrend. Market is following this channel properly where we can get more opportunity. The market is near the upper trend line from where the market can go down. If you also do proper analysis, then you can make good profit. Always take small steps to increase your chances of success. Always learn from your loss not to lose again like this or this pattern. Only then will you be able to become a successful trader. Hope to learn something from this live trading video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
She said we should hook up with boyfriend and boogie. Don't know me, then look up, I be in the clouds. Full of Henny, I drink in a 12.